Achoo! Oh.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Achoo! Oh.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Achoo! Ah.
Bless
Oh.
you.
Thank
Kabba.
you. What?
Are you okay?
Oh, I think I'm okay.
Are you sick?
Oh, I don't feel sick. I just can't stop sneezing. I can't stop sneezing. I think I might have. I think. Achoo! Oh.
I think about you too.
Oh, thank you. No. I think about. Achoo! Oh.
You think algebra?
No. I think I'm. Achoo! Oh.
Alabama?
No. I think I got allergies. Oh.
Allergy.
Yeah, I think I got allergies. I think I'm allergic to something around here.
Is it me?
No.
Is it my armpit?
Oh. No, but you're kind of stinky.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Is it Claire?
No, not Claire.
Is it my pom pom?
Oh. No, not the pom pom.
Go Kabba! Is it my boxing glove?
No, not the boxing glove.
Is it my megaphone?
No.
Is it my megaphone?
No, it's not the.
Are you sure it's not the megaphone?
Yeah, I'm sure it's not the megaphone.
Oh, okay.
It's just too loud.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I don't know what it is, Sacha. Every time I come over here, I'm okay. But every time I come Sacha, every time I come over here, I'm okay. But every time I come over here, I sneeze. I think I'm allergic to the flour. See, I'm okay. And I sneeze over here. See, over here, I'm okay. And over here, I sneeze. And see, I'm okay over here. And over here, I sneeze. And then over here...
Kabba!
What?
It's the flour.
Yeah, I'm allergic to the flour.
You're allergic to the flour.
We figured it out. Yeah. I heard about this. Some people are allergic to flowers, like the pollen they give off. Yeah. We should play inside today.
Okay, yeah, let's go play inside.
Okay. Bye. Bye, flower. I have to go play inside.
Bye, flower.
You're very beautiful. Please don't take it personally, but we gotta go. Oh, come on, let's go.